Hello everyone and welcome back to Gaggia Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia Academia espresso machine. Now for this machine we did quite a lot of work, especially because we need to replace the ceramic valve, which is a job on itself. You really have to disassemble half of the machine in order to complete the procedure and remove this piece, and then you have to really disassemble some of the frontal panels as well as on the back of the machine. So you really need, it's a very well hidden piece over here. This one, as you can see, it was leaking from this area and this area. You can see where it was leaking through here. Let me just make sure the camera focuses. There you go. You can see all that scale buildup where it was leaking through that little gasket and stuff. So it was not performing the way it's supposed to. But that was not the only issue with this machine. That thermoblock located right here in the machine was completely clogged with scale buildup. We had to physically go in there and remove it by hand, which took basically the entire day, you know, to remove it. We soaked it into different descaling solutions in order to make sure that to loosen it up. Then we were going in there and removing little piece by piece until we finally got it unclogged. That basically controls the flow coming out through the here and through here. So if that gets clogged, you will not get any milk coming out through the carafe, you will not get any hot water, and you will not get any steam, as this is all connected into a bunch of valves located right here on this panel over here. If you remove the door, let me remove it. If you remove the door, you're gonna see these little hoses. These hoses are connected to those valves located right here, and these are connected to the thermoblock that was completely clogged. So that was the main issue with this machine, besides the leaking ceramic valve and the leaking and the clogged thermoblock, which it was really clogged. We really had to work for it in order to unclog it. So let's start with one long coffee. We're gonna test these spouts out. That way we're gonna test the coffee system, which is connected to this ceramic valve over here. Hot water passes through here in this valve and then goes and shoots through this side, which then enters the carafe located right here inside this door, and it shoots all the water through the ground coffee and through the brew unit and into the spouts, as you can see right here. Let me remove these out here and remove it back and forth. As you can see, this controls the flow of it. We can remove it all the way here. You can see a nice steady flow coming out through the main valve. So yeah, I'm gonna clean this out, unclog it, as there's a little bit of coffee buildup, as you can see, and if we not had this kind of level of stream coming out through here, you can see all that water through there. So I'm definitely cleaning this after this. And like I say, for this machine, that thermoblock, the one that is connected to these hoses that I just explained, was completely clogged, and no water was coming out. No, nothing, as you can see, will just give you an error message, and you will not be able to do any rinsing cycles or anything like that with this machine. So thankfully, like I said, we run a bunch of descaler, a lot of hot water through there, a lot of steam. We were definitely testing out this machine the entire day as well. So this one is those difficult machines that sometimes give us a little bit trouble. But as you can see here on Gaggia Coffee, we were able to repair it. We're gonna be seeing the steam coming out this one, and as you can see, it started to build up some pressure. There you go. Steam is building up. Nice steady steam coming out of the one. Opening pressure. Really great temperature. Working excellent. And there you have it, Gaggia Academia, brewing and steaming once again. So thank you so much for repairing with Gaggia Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.